everyone, welcome back to my channel Delightsome Dolls. Before we get into the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. To begin with, I am using cotton fabric to make the top of the dress, and I'll mention the measurements on the screen, and these measurements will be including an allowance to hem the edges. I'm trying it on the doll just to make sure I know where to make it like a wavy pattern, so it can only be in front as there is no need to make it all the way to the back. So now that I have cut this design out, I am making small cuts to make it easier to fold the edges. I am using fabric glue to hem the edges because it's easier than stitching and will result in a nicer finish at the moment. I will use a sewing machine to hem this. I will mention the measurements of the dress skirt just like before on the screen. Just fold and hem the bottom. Sew a loose stitch to gather it. Sew a straight stitch over it using a sewing machine. Now I'm going to join the top and skirt together, so I'm folding the top in half and marking where to sew. I'm taking ribbon to make the straps. I put the dress on the doll and place the ribbons and use a pencil to mark the inside. Cut the ribbon in an angle. Attach the straps using needle and thread, being very neat and careful not to hurt yourself. Fold it good side to good side and sew a straight stitch. Fold it and add Velcro. Sorry I forgot to show you how to knot these ribbons, but it's quite simple, just like tying shoelaces. Bye.